What's up, guys? I want to show you guys on how you can easily get your FundedNext account right now. In this video is very simple and easy strategy. All what you need to do is to just make sure to click the link below to get your funded account. Let me explain to you about the challenge. They have a lot of challenge you can get here on FundedNext. They have the one of Stellar Step 2, the one of Stellar Step 1, the one of Stellar Light. For beginner, you can even start as low as $32 free, and they are going to refund the money back to you when you pass the account. The one of $10,000 is just $59. I'm gonna try to return the money back to you. All right, after withdrawal is just within 21 days. You'll be withdrawing every 21 days. You can be withdrawing your money every 21 days. It's that simple. So let me just show you real quick information. So let's say you want to get this one of 10,000. You're gonna just make sure you can choose anyone you like, depend on your pocket, depend. Even the 100,000 is just 399, where the 50,000 is just 229, where the 25,000 is just $139. Very cheap and affordable one. You're gonna try to click on this to get the one of 10,000 or the one of 5,000. Let me say you want to get the one of 10,000. You're gonna try to make sure you click on either MT4 or MT5. Then you can don't click on this one. Don't click on this one. Try to like this video and share this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then don't bother to click on, because lifetime payouts plus no minimum trading, so let me just weekly 15% overall. So let's say you want to try to, don't bother to click on all this one. It's just because they will be charging you when you click on this lifetime 30% plus 30% minimum trading days 20. They'll be charging you for all these ones, double price up. So just click on this agree. That is all what you need to click. Then you're gonna try to click on this. It's just $59. But when you click on all this one, they'll be charging you a lot of money. You can see about $118, but you don't need to. All this one, can you see? We are going to pay about $130. So just make sure to unlock it. Don't click anything. All right? Don't click anything. You just need to just pay your $59. That's all what you need to pay with this account. Then you're gonna try to click on this get started right now. So you need to just try to put in all your information, then you are good to go. So all right, so just allow it to load up, and you can pay with your crypto, you can pay with your wherever something you have. It's that simple. Just allow the page to load before you can easily. So right now you need to just make sure to put your email so that they can you need to just put your email. I'll do that right now, then I'll get back to you. All right, it's just Stellar Lights. That one is just $59 for $10,000 account. Then swap free, so discount is 0, everything. So you're gonna try to just make sure to put the email address and everything right now. Then do that. Let me do that. All right. So right now, after entering this particular area, you need to just make sure to enter your first name, the last name, the gender, the date of birth, the country. All right. Then you need to just make sure to enter the password, confirm your password, click on I agree, and click on next. It's that simple. Once register, your name and country can not be modified. Please double check this information very well. So make sure you put your name as your ID. So it's very, very important. Put your first name, your last, everything that's called as your ID. Don't do any mistake on this particular area, right? So you are good to go. So let me just do that right now. I'll fill everything. I will not try to click on next. I'll do everything right now. I'll not click on next for you guys to see what I'm doing. So just make sure to do that. It's that simple and easy. So right now they'll send an OTP to your email. Just make sure to go and get the OTP. Then you put it here. Then you done with your registrations. Then you're gonna try to click on next. Click on next right now to OTP verified, everything is being verified, so the account is successfully. So right now you need to just make your payments right now. So right now you can pay with your cryptocurrency, 3% fee. Wow, 1% fee, PayPal, Google, bank transfer. So it depends on which one you want to pay with. So you can pay with any of these. It depends on. So let me just do that right now real quick to choose the one I want to pay for. So right now you need to just make sure. I want to select crypto payments. Maybe I don't know how much I'll pay. Like I'll select this one, crypto. Right, okay, that means I'll pay 60. Okay, commission is 1 something right now. What payments I want to pay? Let me just go back to payment method and see. I want to choose crypto as my payment. All right, address. No, I don't want to use this particular word. I want to use. So right now I've already select the USD. I want to select either Tron. The Tron is about $67. The Ethereum is $60. Why the Arbitrum is just $60. Polygon is just 60. So let me just either Polygon network as my Arbitrum network. So Tron is very costly. Let me just do that right now. All right, let me just try to choose Polygon network as my optional payment. Okay, I've already choose the Polygon network. Yeah, this is Polygon network. I'll send total to pay is 60 something. I'll just try to do it right now real quick with my mobile phone, then I will get back to you guys. So I'll be trying to. So when I've already sent the money right now. So immediately the money is sent from my Binance. I'll just click on pay from wallet right now, and very quick right now. I'm just waiting the money to go for my Binance. Wow, I think they have already received the money right now. You can see the money is being paid. You can see the money is being paid right now. So everything is being confirmed. So I can easily just log into the account right now. Without even, you can see it's very, very fast. The Polygon network is very, very fast and easy. The money is being sent successfully there. So I can log in right. You can see I've already clicked on so everything has been done. I will just try to log into the account to check my something real quick. According to back to home page, I'll just try to log into the account right now. Login to check if the money is being appeared successfully. All this one. Okay, I think they are asking some question. So you're asking all these questions before. So that's they're asking all these questions. What is your current yearly income? Yearly income, you can just say within 5 to, you can do that less than 5,000. Just a beginner. Just use a run. What is your primary source of income? Trading, saving. You can do freelancing, employment. Just write anyhow you like. Which aspect of funding convinces you to sign up? Trust, reputation, affordable price, funding package, 24 hours guarantee, local payment, all this stuff. new trading. All right, so all these methods are very okay. You can just try to, which products are you interested in? CFD. Then you submit all this one, go to dashboard. You can just log into that dashboard right now. So then you're gonna try to see your account. Can you see this is they have already given that the account is $10,000 dollars worth of account, MT5. So you can easily, this is how your dashboard will look like when you first join. So it's very okay and easy, guys. So this is a simple way, guys, on how you can just get your funded accounts with just $59, and everything's okay. You can see, you can go to your dashboard and key and see everything about your something real quick. And right, you can see this is your login, this is your investor password and everything. The server, you're gonna try to check it, everything ongoing. So you can just see all your 10,000 balance, floating losses, today permits loss, countdown. So you can see this is how you can end the unlimited. So you can see this is how you can just it's 10,000. Then this is the login and everything, guys. So it's very, then you can just reset your password or set investment. So it depends on you guys, then you can do that. So this is a very simple way on how you can just get your funded account. Then you're gonna try to, so thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share. Bye for now, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.